Loadhog is a company that supply returnable transit packaging, which is boxes and dollies and the Loadhog lid, equipment to move stock around for companies, high street shops, retailers. Based in Sheffield, we're operating 24/7. We process about 100 tonnes of plastic a week across a range of 6 different moulding machines. One Stratasys launched the F770, which is our machine. Based on its price point, it was very competitive. There was a strong business case for us to bring that in-house. Historically, we would subcontract that work. Everything about the machine is simple to operate. We're now all operating the machine, all the design team, the 4 of us here, and the machine is heavily utilised. Principally with the F770, it was a size, and it was a Stratasys machine. We had dabbled with hobbyist machines in the past and failed because they're not adequate for a professional outfit using the machine day in, day out. We are well familiar with Stratasys as a brand, and we've been working with SYS for a long time. So they're both trusted suppliers.
We chose the F770 primarily for its large format capabilities to allow us to print our Loadhog lid and our latest Dolly Max dolly. That large format meant that we could print the whole thing in one print. It's been imperative and key to the development and the innovation of that product.
Just having that facility in-house allows our engineering teams the opportunity to do more complicated jigs and fixtures, elements for the robots and robotic arms we've got here. So really it's a versatile machine for the whole of Loadhog.
The GrabCAD software that we use to run the F770 is very simple to use. It has all the functionality that we would want as a designer. Every single component on the Dolly Max has been printed on the F770. It's been imperative and key to our innovation, which we now have patents on. It has been very quick to realise new items, new ways of assembly, new ways of producing the parts, the fit and function of those parts, and also just to show customers what the end product and the vision of that product will be. We're able to take on board a lot of customer feedback before we spend upwards of £500,000 of tooling. So we can get that information, so we can make design changes and try and get exactly what the customer wants before we actually make any sort of investment.
Without the F770 that you see behind me now today, Loadhog wouldn't be in the position that it is to release products to the market as quickly as possible. You can see a couple of examples here where we've manufactured 3D prints from conceptual stages right up to production bias stage now. You see there's an example of a production design that we went to. You can see the torsional twist in this component. So it allows us to quickly understand the flexibility in the part. We've got a lot of strength in the 2 components, so they're now handed. And that fed straight into us, allowing us to bring the 2 parts into production that you see today. Gives us the reliability and the confidence in the part design. It's an integral part of what we do. Over the year, there's probably only 3 or 4 evenings out of that time that it probably doesn't run. If we were to lose it tomorrow, it would be a big loss to the design department. It would be like losing your right arm. The speed in which we can develop something in a day, print it overnight, come in the next day and it's ready. Since having the F770 here, it's allowed us to progress designs much quicker. We can go from a very quick conceptual stage right up to the tooling phase within weeks, which would normally be months.
Some of the other printers that we've had in the past where something maybe would take 4 or 5 hours, we're able to do that in 1.5 to 2 hours. It's almost double the speed of our previous printers. The main saving has been from any outsourcing that we've had to do in the past or still do. The team there has always been very responsive, very helpful, very knowledgeable, and we couldn't ask any more.
Technical teams are always at the end of a phone. Any issues, they're very quick to help resolve them. Our partnership together continues to grow.